In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a deposit on Vagaro. Whether you're managing a salon, spa, or fitness business, securing bookings with a deposit can significantly reduce no-shows and cancellations, ensuring your schedule stays full and productive. Vagaro offers a straightforward way to implement this into your booking process, and today I'll guide you through each step to make this task as simple as possible. Let's begin by navigating to the Vagaro website. Once you're there, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page where you'll spot the login button. Clicking on this will lead you to the next phase of the process. For those of you who prefer convenience and security, you'll love the next step. Vagaro allows you to log in using your Google account, eliminating the need to remember another password. Simply click on Login with Google, and you'll be prompted to choose the Google account you wish to use for this session. Selecting your account will grant you access to your Vagaro dashboard where all the magic happens. After successfully logging in, look for the Go to My Business button. This is where you step into the command center of your Vagaro account, equipped with all the tools you need to manage your business effectively. Navigate your way to the calendar by using the direct link provided or by finding the calendar tab from your dashboard. The calendar is where you'll manage all your bookings, view your schedule at a glance, and add new appointments. When adding a new appointment, a straightforward click on Add a New Appointment brings up your service menu. This is where you customize the service options for your business. A visual cue or a picture might accompany this selection process on screen, guiding you through the vibrant array of services you provide. Selecting a service transitions you to the next phase of booking, entering the customer's name. Type in the name of the customer you're booking this appointment for. An intuitive interface allows for an easy search and select process, ensuring you're not wasting a moment of your precious time. Now we arrive at a crucial step that impacts both your business's efficiency and profitability. Adding a deposit. Locate the Add Deposit option, which is typically positioned in the lower left corner of your booking window. This feature allows you to set a deposit amount required to secure the booking, an effective strategy to safeguard your business against last-minute cancellations and no-shows. With the service selected, customer information entered, and deposit set, all that's left is to confirm the booking. Click on Book to finalize the appointment. You've now successfully secured an appointment with a deposit, ensuring that both you and your client are committed to the scheduled service. Throughout this process, it's worth noting the seamlessness with which Vagaro integrates Google accounts for an easy login, the intuitive design of its dashboard, and the clear, easy navigation through booking settings. This blend of functionality and user experience makes Vagaro a strong ally for businesses looking to streamline their booking process and enhance customer commitment through deposits. Remember, setting a deposit not only protects your business, but also reinforces the value of your services in the eyes of your clients. It's a mutual commitment to the service exchange, promoting a professional and respectful business relationship. Before we conclude, I want to emphasize the importance of communicating with your clients about the deposit policy. Ensure it's clearly stated on your website, during booking confirmations, and within any pre-service communications. Transparency builds trust, and by being upfront about your booking policies, you foster a stronger, more understanding relationship with your clients. And there you have it. That's how you effortlessly add a deposit to an appointment on Vagaro, a small but significant step towards optimizing your business operations and client relationships. Don't hesitate to revisit any part of this tutorial should you need a refresher, and remember the Vagaro team is always ready to assist should you encounter any hitches along the way. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial. Implementing deposits into your booking process is a smart move for any service-oriented business looking to improve efficiency and client commitment. With Vagaro's user-friendly interface, securing your bookings with deposits is easier than ever. Happy booking, and here's to the continued success of your business.